I made over 300,000 naira, as you can see right here displaying on your screen, guys, by doing just one thing, one simple thing. I made over 300,000 naira. As you can see, this is even almost 400,000 naira. This is 393,000 naira, guys. This is actually a lot, guys. And then I'm going to be showing you how I did. Should I say show? Okay, I'm going to be telling you actually, because I'm not going to be showing you. This is not a screen record. You guys actually need to listen and understand so you can actually earn this money for yourself too. I won't be doing too much of editing. I'm just going to be talking raw as it is, how it happened and everything. Okay, let me just tell you guys briefly what I did. Okay, I have to make a confession. I've made up my mind that I was not going to say this to anyone. I'll just be doing my thing codedly, you understand, because it's supposed to be coded. So I opened a new Instagram account, a new Instagram, like fresh account, not even my main one that everybody knows. This one nobody even knows me. In fact, I did not even use my real name because I just wanted to just open, like something within me was like, okay, maybe I should just start up another social media account, you know, just the way I have Facebook, I have YouTube, I have TikTok, but sorry guys, I have Facebook, I have YouTube, I have TikTok, but I did not have an Instagram channel that I'm running currently. So I thought about it that, okay, let me just open this Instagram. And the moment I opened it, like something came to my head. What am I going to be posting there? So I was like, okay, maybe I should just be doing reviews about things I use, you understand, on daily basis, because I don't even know what to post there on Instagram. Because me, by myself, I love YouTube. I'm just a YouTube person. I don't even know. I have several YouTube channels, so I'm just a YouTube person. I don't really know what to do on that Instagram, but I just wanted to have it, especially knowing that if you're a Nigerian, you are not going to be getting paid with Instagram unless you're getting brand deals. I said, okay, let me just do it for now. Who knows, I might leave the country and then it might become useful maybe later on in the future. I started it. My first video I actually did, I posted there, was checkers custard. I don't know how many of you know checkers custard. If you are in Nigeria and you know checkers custard, I don't know if they are going to see this video. Yeah, I hope I'm not selling myself out to them. Yeah, so when I opened the new account, I made a video because I have some checkers custard at home, like, you know, that 3-in-1, that one that has milk, sugar, yeah, everything together. So I made a video of when I bought it, how I was opening it, how I made it, and how I was drinking it, and then I gave a review. I actually did a voiceover, not like I was talking. I just recorded everything. After I did the whole recording, then I did a voiceover over it. Like, you know, people make the same video of look at me now, I'm drinking it, oh wow, this tastes so good, you know, that kind of thing. Now, like videos like that are actually all over social media. So that was just what I did basically. And when I posted it, initially I posted it without tagging them, like the makers of checkers. I just posted it. I was like, okay, maybe from there I can see how it goes and also know what next to do and what next to do. Then something in me just said I should just tag them. I was like, should I tag? I didn't even know their handle. I had to go and search Google. Then I just typed checkers custard. I saw their details there. I saw their email. I saw like their details. But like, okay, I don't need their email. I just need their handle. Then I tagged them. Imagine, like, you guys should remember, this is a fresh account. I tagged them, and when I tagged them, the next thing I got, in fact, I didn't even get any reply. The major reason why I tagged them was just so that I can gain more visibility, you understand? So I was thinking that, okay, maybe if I tag them, it will get more views. Instagram will push it out for more people to see, so I can get more engagement and more views, rather than a fresh account just posting. I might get less views, but if I tag them, so that was my main idea of tagging them. And upon tagging them, the next thing I saw one message. I was like, who is this one on this fresh account that I'm just trying to grow? The next thing, they were like, they really liked the video I made, that can I make another video for them? And this time around they want to sponsor it. Like, they said they want to sponsor it. I was like, I couldn't believe it. I was like, what? Fresh account? I thought people said, okay, Instagram, you can't make money. And that is true. If you're in Nigeria, you will not get paid as a Nigerian unless you're out of Nigeria. But if you are currently living in Nigeria, you cannot monetize your Instagram account just the way you can monetize your YouTube account. Like the way you guys are watching this YouTube channel is already monetized. So I'm actually going to get paid for you guys watching this particular video. Unlike Instagram, if somebody is watching your Instagram videos and you can't get paid unless somebody sponsors your video and then they pay you, then you earn. Do you guys understand? When I saw that, I was like, Jesus. And they asked me that, what, like, they actually asked me of how much I want to charge. Like I said, what is my fee? I didn't even know what to say, because me, I was like, I didn't even know, like, I didn't do it for that purpose. I just did it. I was like, okay, let me just start, and then like, it was just all like a dream to me, all like a dream. And I just wanted that Instagram account to actually be a hidden account. I don't want people to really know me with it, yeah, because even my main account that people know me with, I had to go and private it, because damn, too many DMs have been coming through. At some point, I just have to put it on private, so I can actually analyze who and who I'm actually going to be replying. Yeah, but this particular one, I'm so sorry that I'm just beating around. Like, it still feels fresh in my memory. So when I told them the amount I wanted, they were like, okay, that it was too, because me, they were like, it's too high, because, you know, as per new account and everything, that is too high, I should bring it down a little. And then they actually paid me in dollars, but when I actually converted it, that was what resulted to this amount you are seeing, which is 393 when I converted it to Naira, but they paid in dollars. I don't know why they did that. Maybe, I don't know, but it was in dollars, so maybe that's left to them. I don't know if they're actually going to see this particular video. I hope so. But if they see this video, that means I've casted myself. That means they have seen the girl, because I've been trying to hide myself. And oh yeah, so if they actually come across this video, that means they have seen me. So I didn't want to mention this. I just said, okay, wow, if I can make this much money. And by the way, guys, this video is actually less than 3 minutes. It is 2 minutes plus. Yeah, I think 2 minutes and 30 something seconds. It's not even up to 3 minutes. And then look at how much it gave me. Why some people, you will go to work, you enter bus, you sweat, and in the end of the month, after 30 days, they'll pay you 100k or less than 100,000 naira. I'm not trying to say that it's bad, but having more things, more side hustle to which you can actually earn money for yourself is not bad. It's not a bad idea. So I just had to bring it out there to you guys that wow, like, this is not even my main idea of making this video, because I was like, I didn't even want to make this video at all. I was just like, okay, let me just put it out there. So in case you're thinking, okay, what other ways can you make money? See, in fact, you can even use, imagine if a new Instagram channel can make this amount of money. Imagine if you're now using your own Instagram channel that is already running. Maybe you already have followers, you already have engagement. Just look for that particular brand. It can be anything. It can still be the same Checkers custard. Even if you don't want Checkers, it can be anything. It can be Indomie, it can be whatever. Like, just think about different brands. Think about different things you use daily, on a daily basis. Buy them. Give good reviews, because if you give bad reviews, they will not pay you. Nobody's going to pay you to come and spoil their business. But if it is a good review, that's why you should use something that you know that is actually good, that you have used before, and something that you know that yes, you can talk about, something you have knowledge of. Don't go and talk about things that you have not used, that you don't know how it even works. So something you know, think about it. So first of all, process the thoughts. So once you have processed the thoughts, make a video. And this particular one, I know I used to tell you that, okay, if you want to earn from YouTube, you don't need to know how to edit, you don't need to, sorry about the background noise, all those birds that fly, I don't know. Stop making a video. Jesus Christ. I'm so sorry about that noise. I don't know, they're just trying to interrupt this video, and like I said, I don't want to edit too much, so I might not be cutting out this one, but please just bear with me. Yeah, so you can make your research. And okay, like I was saying, no, if you're making a YouTube video, I said that you don't need to know how to edit, but for this particular one, you need to know how to edit, because you need brands to pay you, and if your video is not well edited, brands will not pay you. So you need to know how to edit. So it is two ways: either you learn how to edit first before you make that video yourself, or you get someone that actually knows how to edit to help you with it. Then maybe after, when you get the brand deal or something, you can give the person a percentage, or the person can actually just do it for you for free, depending on your relationship with the person. I'm sorry about that noise, please. Yeah, please forgive me. Yeah, so also, what else am I supposed to tell? Okay, so if you have any concerns about how you can actually go through, you can also do what to put it down with the comment section. And also, guys, the link to my WhatsApp community group, I'm going to be leaving it in the comment section and pinning it out there. You guys can join my community, because I have a lot of things I would love to share with you guys, and I really want us to build that community together. I know I have several WhatsApp groups, but I don't have this WhatsApp community. Yeah, so I just want to get this WhatsApp community for from you guys. So if you love me, if you are interested, if you want us to grow together, do well to click on, like, check the comment section. You see the WhatsApp link right there. Click on the link and join my community. That way you can actually get to speak with me one-on-one. Like, this one will not even have to be, I don't know what's wrong with this bed. What's the problem? What's the problem? I'm talking to my people here. I'm making, what's the problem? I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know. God, this is really frustrating, but then I will not be frustrated. I really hope you guys can still hear me despite the background noise. Yeah, so just join the community so that we get to speak one-on-one. You guys can have access to my WhatsApp number. You can chat with me one-on-one with anything, any issue. You can always reach out to me, so it's going to be right there. Just click and join, guys. I'm waiting for more people to join before I give out more details about how the platform is going to be and how we're actually going to run it. And also, guys, every Fridays too, I actually do giveaway on my Telegram channel. I'm going to be leaving the link also. So if you're interested in every Friday giveaways, because that's just what that Telegram channel is all about. Fridays, like Mondays to Friday, it is not usually active. It is only active on Fridays. So in case you're actually interested, just join and wait for Friday 12 p.m. we get our giveaway. All right, guys, so in case you're gonna be trying this new method, see, and by the way, it does not limit, like, there is no limit. Because I actually got my own payment from Instagram, does not mean you should only use Instagram. You can use TikTok, make videos for them. Just make sure you tag them to your video, make videos for them. You can use Facebook, you can use YouTube, you can use whatever. You don't even need to be monetized. Your channel does not have to be monetized before you make money for yourself. And also, guys, another way to which you can actually earn money, in my own case, I tagged them and they reached out to me. In your own case, you can also email them. Their email is there. If you don't know their email, just search online, go to Google, type the company you want to work for or the brand you are working for, and get their email. So once you get their email, send an email to them, reach out to them. But before you reach out to them, make sure you have your video ready, so that when you reach out to them, you can attach your video or make them see a video that you have actually done, because they won't want to work with you if they have not seen the way you can actually make their videos for them. Do you get? Like, if they have actually, like, if they see that, like, how should I put it in English? Like, you can't just message someone and say, okay, I want to make video for you, come and collaborate with me, and then when they check your page or when they check, there is nothing, no video. What is the proof that you can actually deliver? They can't. But now I said, make sure you have your video ready, so that when you reach out to them, you can as well, either you add your video to them or you have already uploaded the video and tell them that you can make another video for them and they will sponsor it. So that way, just like that, still bounce back to what I said, and make sure the video you are doing is a good video, well edited, guys. Because if it is well edited, they'll actually want to partner with you. So once you're done with that, just reach out to them. And this video is getting too long, reach out to them, tell them that, oh, this and this and this, and then you negotiate the price. The video does not even have to be too long, just simple, make sense and all, guys. I am so excited. I was like, okay, so this is another new way to make money. So in case you're thinking, online is a sure way to make money, guys. I don't know what you guys are actually thinking. I don't want this video to be too long. I just have to go. All right, I've come and do the whole gist, and I've come to expose myself. If they see this video now, I've casted myself, but then anything for you guys. I love you guys so much. See you again in my next video, guys. Bye. Mwah.